Well, it's shiny. All right, y'all. Today we are back with another 1983 Honda 200E Big Red video. For those of you all that have not been following along, I bought a Lifan 250cc 5-speed manual motor, and that is going to be going in place of the stock 200E motor, because this motor has a top end noise that is very metallic, very metal to metal. I've never taken one of these motors apart, so I don't feel confident right now doing that. And then it's going to be one of those, take it apart, put it in a box, and then never get it put back together. So instead, in the short term, long term, permanently, the 250 is going to go in here. The 250 and the 200 is about the same horsepower, about the same torque, at least advertised horsepower, advertised torque. And I think the 250 spins up a little bit higher in the RPM, which, I won't benefit from. Not on this. This is going to be like a little cruiser for me. So in this video, I'm going to be stripping this all the way down. So the fenders, tank, motor, wiring harness, everything is coming out. I'm gonna do a time lapse, get this tore down. It's like 8 o'clock, it's dark. So this would be perfect to do this now, and then tomorrow morning I can power wash, all that stuff. Let's start the time lapse. Let's get this tore down.
I don't got no service. Y'all got nobody? She got a phone? Thank you, bro. Oh, thank you. Y'all, who is it? Do it, because I need a new whip. Do it. Oh, baby. I guess not. I'm ready to go. I'm in a beat right here.
Yeah, that's the one I got a car out, bro.
Not 20 minutes. I'll give you 3 seconds. Good. 1, 2. Cutting up in a. I don't even know how much horsepower this car has. This is crazy. Hell yeah. I'm on skinny, so I'm able to like kind of. That's actually a very good question. I don't know. Go ahead. This is so sick. I don't even want to say it. Like, this video is different for me because I'm like yapping the whole time. I'm just enjoying it. Hell, I don't got no space.
Let me get my little power washer and my awesome, and let's start getting some of this dirt and stuff cleaned up. So everything is clean is what it's gonna be. I don't think this 200E is in bad of shape at all. I think it's in pretty good shape. A little bit of surface rust, but that's about it. It's in a lot better shape than what I thought that it was gonna be. I will tell you that. A lot better shape. Especially since I think the grandkids or the guy I got this from had ran this thing down into a pond or something. Because when I got it, it was mud and everywhere. So I think his grandkids were trying to kill this thing. I'm sure that they submerged it straight up a couple of times. That's what it looked like when I got it. So I think for this episode, this will be it. In the next episode, I will take my wire wheel knock down these rust spots. This battery box is actually in way better shape than what I thought it was in. I thought it was in much worse shape, but it's actually really solid. I might try to straighten out the bends on that end. But next episode, I think I'm going to take my wire wheel and hit all of these rust spots. I need to get a couple of brushes, some cheap brushes that I don't care about, and I'm going to take that Rust-Oleum, I think it's Rust-Oleum, whatever it is, that tractor paint. That sky looks nice. Oh, like a doggone green screen back there. I'm going to take that tractor paint, and I will do, I'm trying to think on my trailer, did I do 2 coats or 1? I don't remember. I might go back and look at the video. But I'll probably do 2 coats of paint since this is a fairly small area to paint. I'll probably do 2 coats of paint on the frame. And I'm also going to do the front and rear bars, brackets, skid plate, the pull bar. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to strip that down to chrome. Nope, I'm not. The pull bar is going to get painted. The grab bar, whatever it is, and the pegs, and then whatever miscellaneous brackets. So yeah, that will be next episode on this, which for you will be a week. For me, it will be tonight/tomorrow. So, like everything that you do, always remember, think, build, and most importantly, you have to enjoy it, because what's the point of thinking about it, and building it? Peace. I feel like, what's the point of doing an unboxing video if I'm not going to actually take it out of the box? Ugh.